Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to unpair your earbuds SOUNDPEATS Air for Lite from your iPhone. You have to start by open settings and then go to the Bluetooth. Now you need to click the information icon near to your earbuds at the device list. And right here at the last line we have a button what called forget the device. This actually to unpair your earbuds. You need to tap on it and then click at the forget device. After that you can put your earbuds to the charging case and close the case. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!